वह हकला रहा था। He was stammering. He was stammering. वह रास्ते में है। He is on the way. He is on the way. वह मेरे पास से गुजरा। He passed by me. He passed by me. वह बहुत मासूम है। He is very innocent. He is very innocent. वह बहुत पतला है। He is so skinny. He is so skinny. वह इसके लायक नहीं है। He isn't worth it. He isn't worth it. वह अजीब बातें करता है। He talks strange. He talks strange. वैसे अभी आप क्या कर रहे हैं? By the way, what are you doing right now? By the way, what are you doing right now? वहाँ से रुमाल ले लो। Take the hanky from there. Take the hanky from there. वह बहुत तेज दौड़ता है। He runs very fast. He runs very fast. व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे लगता है। Personally I think. Personally I think. ये तो होना ही था। This had to happen. This had to happen. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है। It's too much. It's too much. ये बैग बहुत भारी है। This bag is very heavy. This bag is very heavy. ए मत करो। Don't do it. Don't do it. ये मेरे लिए बड़ी बात है। It's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me. ये रहा आपका पैसा। Here is your money. Here is your money. ये रही आपकी घड़ी। Here is your watch. Here is your watch. ये हुई ना बात। That's the way. That's the way. लानत है तुम पर। Shame on you. Shame on you. शांत हो जाओ। Calm down. Calm down. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है। The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. समय पूरा हुआ। Time is up. Time is up. समय बर्बाद मत करो। Don't waste time. Don't waste time. संपर्क में रहना। Keep in touch. Keep in touch. साइकिल को स्टैंड पर रखो। Keep the bicycle on the stand. Keep the bicycle on the stand. सावधान रहिए। Be careful. Be careful. सीधा जाओ। Go straight. Go straight. सीधा मुद्दे पर आओ। Come to the point. Come to the point. सीधा बैठो। Sit upright. Sit upright. हम एक दूसरे के साथ हमेशा रहेंगे। We will always be each other. We will always be each other. हमारी इस विषय में कभी बात नहीं हुई। We never touched this point. We never touched this point. हमारे साथ आओ। Come with us. Come with us. हमारे साथ रहिए। Stay with us. Stay with us. हर कुत्ते का दिन आता है। Every dog has its day. Every dog has its day. हरगिज नहीं। Not at all. Not at all. उसने तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत गलत बोला। He spoke badly of you. He spoke badly of you. वह बहुत सी नशीली चीजें लेता है। He takes many drugs. He takes many drugs. अपना आपा मत खो। Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. तुम पहले जैसे नहीं रहे। You are no longer as before. You are no longer as before. अब तुम मेरे दुश्मन हो गए। Now you have become my enemy. Now you have become my enemy. हर बात की एक हद होती है। There is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. तुमने मेरे विश्वास को ठेस पहुंचाई है। You have betrayed my confidence. You have betrayed my confidence. दफ़ा हो जाओ, बज ऑफ नाउ, बज ऑफ नाउ। तो फ्रेंड्स इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए। स्पोकन इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।